Hello my friends, there has always been a long-standing battle on how to make the best jollof rice. Today, I'll be showing you how to make native jollof rice because I believe this deserves a place in the battle. The ingredients used will be listed in the description box below. I'll be using equal parts of palm oil and vegetable oil, using a ladle as a measuring tool and an extra half of palm oil. Allow the oil to heat up for about a minute, then before you add in chopped onions and locust beans. After adding in your chopped onions and locust beans, you're going to let it to release its flavor for about 1 to 2 minutes before you continue cooking. The next step will be to add in tomato and pepper, which has been blended and boiled down to reduce the water. And I'm going to fry this for about 5 to 7 minutes. While the meat is frying in small water, I'm going to pound some local spice, UZIZA seed and ORIMA seed. You could buy this blended to save you this step. After that, I'm going to add in blended crayfish. Then I'm going to add in my boiled beef, cow skin and dried fish. And I'm going to continue frying these for a few more minutes. The next step is to add a generous pinch of salt and add the beef stock from the beef which was boiled earlier. And then I'm going to add seasoning cube. You might feel like it's so salty, but it's actually not. It's advisable to season to a borderline when it feels like it's salty because you're still going to add water and rice to this. So I added an extra seasoning cube after the 2 which was added earlier because I realized that I needed an extra seasoning, and I also added a little bit of salt, which is less than half of a teaspoon. Lastly, I'm just going to add the UZIZA and ORIMA seed which was pounded earlier. So now it's time to add in the washed rice. For this native rice, I'm actually using BASMATI rice to make this. Mix everything properly to ensure that your rice is fully coated in the stew or sauce. You could add dried pepper if you wish to, but my fresh pepper mix was already hot enough, so I didn't want to introduce more pepper into this. Add enough water to cook the rice, and the water should stop just about a little bit above the rice. I'm using basmati rice which cooks fast, so depending on the rice you're using, you might be needing an extra cup or 2 more of water. You need to transfer your rice to the lowest heat on your gas stove, and you need to reduce it to the lowest. And then I covered this with a foil because this needs to cook with steam, and you can see how beautiful my rice came out. This rice is very delicious. So the next thing you're going to be doing is adding your vegetables. The rice is ready like this, but to make it native rice, you need to add some vegetables. So I'm going to be adding saint leaf, which can also be substituted for basil. If you don't have saint leaf where you stay, you can use basil. And I'll be adding ugu leaves, which is also called pumpkin leaves, and I'm going to mix together and cover in the pot for about 10 minutes before serving. Native rice is ready. This rice is like a staple in my household. I make it almost every week because my family loves it, and I think you should try it because it's very delicious. So it's time for me to taste the rice. You can see the amount of fish, beef, cow skin, also called pomo, in it. This rice is very rich and it tastes absolutely delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.